Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how you can download Twitter video in your mobile. So before this, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon also. So let's get started. So friends, let's say I want to download this video which is playing on the screen. So what you have to do now, you have to click on the share link. And then you have to tap on copy link. And then friends, you have to go to Google and search Twitter video download. And then friends, you have to tap on the first link. And here you have to paste the link. And then click on the download. And wait for few seconds. And please hit the like button friends. And then friends, as you can see there is download option. You have to tap on the download. Wait for few seconds. And then friends, you have to tap on three dot. And tap on download again. And wait for few seconds. So as you can see my video is downloaded now. I will show you in my gallery. As you can see, this video is downloaded. I am playing it. So as you can see, this video is downloaded. So friends, if this video was helpful for you, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon also.